gonna be my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial in collaboration with the Face Shop. So I used all of their products to create this look right here. It's a very beautiful, soft, romantic kind of Valentine's look, or you can use it for Chinese New Year as well because it is just around the corner. So if you want to know how I achieved this look as well as some mini reviews on the products that I use, then just keep watching. But as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at DaintyDashBeauty. Like this video if you enjoy, and comment down below what future videos would you like to see, and just keep watching.
Hey guys, so first of all, starting with the bare face, I'm using the Therapy Anti-Aging line, and first of all starting with the serum and just patting all over the face, and then slowly moving on to the moisturizer, and I'm just taking a little bit and as well patting all over the face so our face is nicely prepped and moisturized. For foundation, I'll be using the brand new cushion foundation from the Face Shop, which is their anti-darkening cushion that has SPF 50 PA+++, and as you can see, the packaging of this cushion is super pretty. I really love it so much, and I'm using in the shade N203. So as you can see, the shade is definitely much more lighter than my skin tone, and it definitely looks a bit so much more lighter in camera, maybe because of the sunscreen in it. But I overall would recommend this cushion foundation because I feel that the formula itself gives a very beautiful, flawless smoothing effect to the skin without leaving the skin too cakey, and it gives a slight glow to the skin without breaking your oil throughout the day. Just that maybe concern about the shade range. For the concealer, I'm using the Face Shop Super Cover Concealer in the shade N203, and as you can see, it gives a very creamy texture to the skin, and surprisingly enough, the shade actually works very well for me. So I just dot it under my eye and using the cushion foundation, the puff, to just blend everything out, and it blends right into my skin, and surprisingly enough, it gives a very nice coverage under my eyes. So because the foundation is too light on my skin, I'm just using some bronzer and contour to deepen up the perimeters of my face, and then jumping into the brows, I'm using the Browlasting ink pen to fill in the brows. I actually really love this product because it gives a very natural brow effect, which I'm very used to my brow pomades and brow pencil, but surprisingly enough, I really love the effect for this brow. And to make it much more precise and defined, I love using the concealer to just carve out the brows, and then using a brush to just blend everything out. So as you can see, we've already done our foundation as well as our brows. Now moving on to the eyeshadow that I handpicked by myself, which is their brand new Monocube shadow, and I have a matte version and shimmer version right here. So the first shade I'll be using is a pale white matte shade to just put it all over the eyelids to ensure everything blends well above it. And don't worry, I will list all the shade names and products down in the description box below. So now using a light brown shade, I'm just putting all over my crease so that the next shade that we're gonna use, which is this shade right here, a very beautiful warmer brown shade, and I'm just gonna deepen up the crease, and you can see it's much more defined. Here I'm just taking this beautiful pigmented burgundy color, and I'm really gonna emphasize it at the outer corner and inner corner of the eyes to give a halo effect. And how we're gonna achieve the halo effect is by applying this beautiful shimmery, glittery, orangey golden pigment shade onto the center of the lid for that beautiful sparkle effect. And for the lower lash line, I'm using this shade right here. It can look like a grey on the pen, but it actually has a beautiful purple undertone, as you can see. And I'm just using a flat shader brush to just emphasize on the lower lash line, which really complements the eye. And before completing our eye makeup, I'm using the Inkgel pencil eyeliner in the shade black color, and I'm just tight lining my eyes so that we have a much more fuller lash line effect. And I'm taking the pink cover version of this eyeliner and I'm putting at my waterline as well as my inner corner to really open up the eyes and brighten the eyes. And to brighten the eyes even more, I'm using this shimmery pearl color, which is so beautiful, and I'm putting it at my inner corners as well as my brow bone to really brighten and lift up the eyes. And since we didn't put any eyeliner on the eyes, I'm just using this pigmented brown shade to give like a smoky eyeliner effect. So as you can see, I apply on my wing liner as well as my lower lash line to really make the eyes much more defined. To finish up the eye makeup look, I'm using my current go-to mascara, which is the Face Shop 2-in-1 curling mascara. So this mascara comes in two different type of wands. The bigger one is perfect for the upper lashes and the smaller one is perfect for the lower lashes. So what I do, I really love this mascara. First of all, it's because it's very smudge proof and I really can wear it all day, and also it gives a very lengthening and volumizing effect. And because of the wand, it is so good at separating the lashes and even the lower lash line. It gives such a defined look. So as you can see right here, this is the completed eye makeup look for my Valentine's Day theme makeup. Coming back to our face makeup, and I'm just adding a little bit more color to our face, and I'm using the Coral Cushion Box Blusher right here. Not only I love the packaging of this, but I actually really love the formula as well, because it is not too pigmented, which allow you to really slowly build up the color. And as you can see, it really gives a very beautiful like pinky soft like blush to the cheek, which I'm really loving for this look. As for the face highlight, I'm just multitasking the Monocube eyeshadow in the glittery finish formula, and I really love the formula of these, and I apply it with my fingers because I think it just applies the most pigmented and best at it. So I'm taking the first shade, which is the golden color, and I'm applying all over the cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow as well as my chin, and a little bit of the pearl essence color at the tops of the highlight points. And as you can see, the skin is super glowy. This gives a little bit glittery finish, but I'm definitely okay with. And now time for some lip action, and I'm just using the brand new The Face Shop Flat Velvet and Glossy Lipstick. And as you can see, the color selection is so many, so pretty, and I finally chose the Rococo Pink in the glossy formula to match my Valentine's Day makeup look. And I also swatched all 12 of the shades right here, and if you want individual video on all swatches, lip swatches, do let me know and give a like for this video. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial in collaboration with The Face Shop. I hope you all found some new products to discover. I really enjoy making this video so much. So thank you so much The Face Shop for this opportunity. And yeah, that's it guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!